it's that way. Well, look, first of all, I'd actually like to say special thanks to Cookie for not crashing the boat. That's greatly appreciated. Look, there's probably not much I can say other than I am pretty passionate about the club, passionate about rowing. I guess the terms of otherwise have just always been to see the club sort of grow, and both in membership, in quality of fleet, and develop also in terms of what we put on the water in terms of performance and ability. And I guess that's where my passion sort of been. I've been trying to sort of lift the skill level and the ability of the club. I mean, it's pretty simple. Probably have one other person to thank out there, which is Scotty, who got me back into rowing. So I'd sort of I'd rowed at school and did a little bit of club rowing after school, and then other things got in the way, and that sort of drifted for a while. And then I was up watching Connor rowing, who was rowing at Churchy. Sorry, Connor. So I had gone to the dark side for a while, and I ran to Scott and he said, "Oh, we've got this old boys club going. You should come down and have a look." And I sort of went, "Yeah, actually, that'd be good fun." And so I don't think it was my first outing, but about my second outing out, we were in a boat which actually split in half and pretty much sank to the waterline. So that was my introduction back into rowing. But yeah, anyway, obviously got back into it and really enjoyed the whole thing. And then Crafty obviously wrote me into the committee, and the rest is history. So that's kind of it. But so look, this is it's a great honour. Not expected, and I'm sure there's probably other people that are worthy of it as well. So, but greatly appreciated, and that's good. So really, thanks very much. So what do we say? I suppose my christening is quite me, the great Carroll, and I hope every success for everyone who rows and races in her or him.